This profession has a bone-chilling 0.2% survival rate, but fearless hearts still take the plunge. Welcome to the Underwater Propeller Technician's life, where death follows every revolving blade, heart racing, bubbles bursting, one wrong move, and you're dead. If that did not make you shiver in your boots, stay with me, because we are diving into a tale so heart-stopping it will leave you wondering. Smash that like button, subscribe now, and let's ride this crazy wave together. Imagine a massive ship looming over the waves, but down below where the darkness is a solitary diver wearing a close-fitting wetsuit struggles against a propeller as big as a car. This is no blockbuster stunt, it's actual happening now somewhere in the world. These underwater propeller mechanics, marine propeller divers, are the ocean's quiet warriors repairing colossal blades that propel ships across seas. Sounds brave, until you notice those blades can slice you to pieces like minced meat if they flutter out of place. Crank the adrenaline to max. Your 30 meters deep water slamming your chest like a champ's punch. The propeller looms a silent reaper with blades that could cleave a whale. You're strapped with tools, air hose trailing to the surface, a dim light piercing the gloom. Then bam, the current surges, maybe the ship's engine roars alive, those blades whirl slow. Then a deadly streak, your pulse explodes, hands tremble, you're begging, your line holds. That's no script, that's their daily grind, and we're just warming up. Was this job a nightmare to live? Those propellers have as much power as a freight train running amok. Caught in the churn, you're done like a blender casualty. The US Coast Guard is tracking divers caught in lines, or sucked into the prop's whirlpool. Some disappear forever, then the pressure kicks in at depth that squashes your body, clouds your mind. Nitrogen narcosis takes effect, making you goofy like a drunken pirate. One miscalculation, and it's over. The weight it ramps up, visibility underwater sucks like thick sludge. You're fumbling blind around a death machine that kills with one twist. Your air tied to a surface pump, if it cuts or jams you're counting breaths till blackout. A 2024 International Marine Contractors Association report dropped a gut-wrenching tale. A diver's umbilical trapped in a propeller hub left him stranded 50 meters down, snatched back by a hair. That's the knife edge they walk. Live their day, no humdrum office job. You splash into the water off a barge or dive boat, wetsuit clinging against the cold descent fills bubbles your lifeline as you approach the propeller. Its enormity impacts blades arcing like scythes. You're repairing a crack, replacing a bearing, or searching for reef scars. Each motion, life or death. Water's coldness deadens your hands, quiet, broken only by the ship's roar and metals creak. Now it gets wild. Dives sometimes hit live zones, wartime ports, busy lanes. The propeller might hum, ready for a test. You're a breath from doom. Team topside shouts through a static comms, a 2023 North Sea shocker. So a diver lose a leg when the prop roared mid-check. Leaked video flashed red water before rescue could react. That's not danger, that's a horror flick in flesh. Next time a ship carves through the waves, envision the fearless diver who risked everything to keep that prop spinning. This job's a hidden underwater battlefield, shrouded in mystery. It's a high-risk challenge. If you're thrilled by the danger, hit that like button, subscribe now, and share your boldest job dream in the comments. We're igniting this thrilling, dangerous saga. Stay tuned for more heart-racing adventures. Stay safe and maybe steer clear of the deep.